Good morning. I am K. Palanivel, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, going to the topic design of experiments, completely randomized design and definitions also. First one is analysis of variance. Analysis of variance means ANOVA. ANOVA is a technique that will enable us to test the significance of the difference among more than two sample mean. Assumption: the observation all random. Observations are random. The observations are independent. The sample are drawn from normal populations. Population variances are equal. The basic principle: randomization, replication and local control. These are the basic principles of design of experiments. And basic design. The basic design is completely randomized design, CRD or one-way classification, randomized block design, RBD or two-way classification, Latin square design, three-way classification, F ratios also. The procedure to find completely randomized design. The procedure, sum of all the terms T, that one is total number of sample size, N. Correction factor CF is equal to T square by N. TSS equal to total sum of squares. SSE equal to sum of square between samples. SSE equal to error sum of squares. ANOVA table and conclusion. These are the finding completely randomized design solving procedures. Next one, going to see the problem. The problem is completely randomized design experiments with 10 plots and 3 treatments have the following result. Plot number, treatment and yields are given. Analyze the results for treatment efforts. Treatment, yield, split up the separate value of A, B, C, x1, x2, x3, and x1 sum of the value of x1 equal to 16, sum of the value of x2 equal to 15, sum of the value of x3 equal to 9, sum of the value of x1 square equal to 84, sum of the value of x2 square equal to 81, sum of the value of x3 square equal to 35. Therefore, the total sum of the value T equal to 40. First step, the null hypothesis H0. There is no significant difference between the treatments. And H1, there is significant difference between the treatments. To find T and N, T equal to 40, N equal to number of values 10. And the calculation, the correction factor CF equal to T square by N equal to 160. And TSS, total sum of square, is summation x1 square plus summation x2 square plus summation x3 square minus correction factor. Next one is SSC, summation x1 the whole square by n1, summation x2 the whole square by n2, summation x3 the whole square by n3 minus correction factor. The value is 6 and SSE value is 34. Finally, going to the ANOVA table, source of variation is between column and between error. Sum of square SSC equal to 6, SSE equal to 34, degrees of freedom C minus 1 equal to 2, N minus C equal to 7, and mean sum of square equal to MSC equal to 3, MSE equal to 4.9. F ratio is given. Therefore, finally going to the conclusion. The table value is 6,2 is 19.35. Therefore calculated value is 1.61. Therefore calculated value less than the tabulated value. Therefore H0 is accepted. That is, there is no significant difference between the treatments. Thank you for watching.